Hi there! Are you ready to make some real cash or additional income? If so, follow me. Did you know you could be making additional income just by mailing letters from home? Let me introduce Impact Mailing Club. It's the #1 direct mail opportunity in the United States and Canada to date. Impact Mailing Club is super simple, fun, affordable, and lucrative. With Impact Mailing Club, there is no experience needed, no website required, no phone sales, no personal selling, and no monthly annual fees. Aren't you tired of everyone lying to you about how to make real money from home? With Impact Mailing Club, all those lies and BS stop here today. With Impact Mailing Club, there is opportunity for great additional income, perfect income for graduates, the retired, disabled, veterans, and stay-at-home parents. And all its cash payments are given to you. Impact Mailing Club compensation plans consist of 4 easy levels to join. You have your Emerald, your Ruby, Sapphire, and Diamond. To join under Emerald, it's $100 sign-up fee plus 2 books of stamps. Your commission per referral is $65. Your Tier 2 commission per referral is $20. You will get 100 mailing leads to start. To join under Ruby, it's $250 sign-up fee plus 4 books of stamps. Your commission per referral is $150. Your Tier 2 commission per referral is $50. You will get 200 mailing leads to start. To join under Sapphire, it's $500 sign-up fee plus 4 books of stamps. Your commission per referral is $300. Your Tier 2 commission per referral is $100. You will get 400 mailing leads to start. To join under Diamond level, it's $2,000 sign-up fee plus 5 books of stamps, and your commission is $1,000 per referral. Your Tier 2 commission per referral is $500, and we will give you 1,000 mailing leads to start. Impact Mailing Club's member support team is considered #1 top rank. They are here to help you succeed in your business opportunity with any questions, comments, or concerns, either in English or in Spanish. If you can put a simple stamp on an envelope and take it to a mailbox, you got this. You can do this. You are able to make